It was the In-N-Out. The In-N-Out, those delicious burgers. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Mama Mayhem, and today I'm going to be talking about my most requested video, How did you lose 36 pounds?
Bruh.
But before we get into it, please like and share this video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that notification button so you can be notified when my next video comes out. Alright, let's talk about this. So if you've been following me on Instagram for some time now, you probably have noticed that I started my weight loss journey last year. Yeah, your girl was big. But before I get into how I lost the weight, I want to start from the very beginning of how I gained the weight and why I felt now it's needed to be lost. Okay, so back in 2018, I had my beautiful daughter Stella, but she was a big baby, 9 pounds 8 ounces. So during my pregnancy, I ate a lot. Now I think about it, it was the In-N-Out. The In-N-Out, those delicious burgers. I mean, when you're pregnant, you're not really thinking about what's really going in and out of your mouth.
Bruh.
Like, you're just like, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry, I'm hungry. So in back of my mind, I was thinking like, you know what, when I drop this baby, like, I'm gonna lose the weight, it's gonna be okay, it's gonna be fine. Don't put too much pressure on yourself. You're pregnant, you're good. Well, fast forward 2 years, I still have the baby weight. So I'm like, okay, I need to get on track now. So now 2 years has come and gone. I felt like a lot has happened during those 2 years too. I'm not gonna like put so much judgment on myself. A lot has happened to the point I was stressed out. I was completely stressed. Business, relationships, dating, like it was stressful AF. So that added onto it, and I can say that I am definitely an emotional eater. If I'm stressed out, I eat. So that's not good. So I had to be on a very mindset of just making sure like, okay, you know what, 2020, I'm gonna go hard, go in the gym, and then boom, pandemic happens. Gyms are closed. I'm like, great, now that I'm in the right mindset to lose this weight, all gyms are closed. But it's okay, it's cool, it's all right. It's all about the mindset, right? So I just thought to myself, like, even though the gyms were closed, whatever, I'm still gonna go hard and work out at home. But also I remembered from my friend who is a fitness instructor, he told me that majority of it is the nutrition, not a lot of it is the exercise. So he helped me to get on keto. Yes, it's a fad, but it's not a fad to me. Like, keto really does work, and that was the secret to my weight loss. I started the keto diet, which is you eliminate carbs, bread, anything that's heavy, because I didn't know the impact of what carbs can do to your body. I mean, I did know, but I probably didn't care. But anyway, so I started the keto diet, and keto definitely helped, and that's what made me lose the 36 pounds. I eliminated carbs, eliminated bread. I just focused on protein, meats, chicken, fish, and vegetables. Key ingredient is the vegetables, people. You have to add vegetables. Cabbage, asparagus, anything, kumquat, cauliflower, anything that is veggies. I used to like steer clear away from vegetables, but I had to suck it up and be like, you know what, long-term goals. Don't think about the short-term pain, long-term goals. So I incorporated vegetables into my diet more and more. I am still doing mukbangs. I'm still gonna be doing mukbangs, but on the days that I'm not filming mukbangs, it's hardcore diet and exercise, like every day. If you know me in my personal life, like every day I'm walking 3 miles a day with my family or with my daughter, and we're just walking all over, walking around the neighborhood, walking around to go to Target. Like, I even park far from the front door, so it gives me an excuse to walk to the store even further. So incorporating those key little things is key in making sure you can lose this weight. So keto helped. And also diet and exercise goes hand in hand. With the exercise that I use, I go some days with Insanity workout. I don't know if you've heard of it. It is basically like HIIT. If you've heard of HIIT practices or HIIT workouts, it is really good. It's high cardio, low intensity. To summarize, I gained the weight because of my pregnancy, because I had a big baby, and because I ate a lot during my pregnancy. And now I'm 2 years later, I am now focused more on my health, making sure that I eat properly when I'm not doing mukbangs, making sure that I'm sticking to my keto diet, as well as exercising as frequently as I can. And when you're exercising, make sure you grab an exercise buddy because it makes it more fun. I know a lot of the times I don't even like to exercise a lot, but when I'm doing it with someone, it makes it definitely more fun, more energizing. I get more into it, I'm more motivated, and at the end of the exercise, I feel amazing. I mean, every exercise I do, I may not want to do it in the beginning, but at the end, I'm like, yeah, it was worth it. Alright, so thank you so much, you guys. If you like this video, please comment below. Let me know what you think. Also, please like and share this video. And if you can, subscribe and hit that notification button. Alright, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!